Well, hello there. Just wanted to show everybody new little prepper gadget I got. The Gas One Portable Dual Fuel Stove. And I'm really liking this thing. Let me show you what it's all about. Comes in this nice carry case. Open this baby up. Okay, here's the stove. Okay, let's take it out of the carrying case. Set this aside. As you can see, it sits flat here. But what you have to do to use it, this is the stove top. You have to flip this over like such. Like such. So you can put your pot or pan or whatever on top of this. Then, in this little compartment here, like I say, it's dual fuel. So it'll work with the 1 pound, Coleman propane fuel tanks. And it will also work with the butane fuel tanks. So you can go both ways. I like that idea. I like that idea a lot. To use the butane, all you do is slide the container. See this little notch right here? Yeah. Let me get my finger on the right side of the camera. Right here. That goes up and under a little thing right there. See that? Then you close the door, and there's a little locking mechanism on the front. You just push that down. Now it's locked in place and ready to use. But let me show you something else about this. Okay. It also comes with the adapter kit. This is the adapter kit. To use with the propane tanks. Okay? This part here, you take this protective cap off, and that will screw on to the top of the propane tank. Then this part goes on here, like such. And then you hook it up to, where the butane tank went. Not going to show you that right now. It's pretty self-explanatory once you go through the motion. I guess the butane tanks were a little bit more convenient, take up less space, but you don't get as much runtime out of them. And also, butane, when it gets very cold, does not work very well. Propane is much more tolerant of cold temperatures. So let's fire this boy up and see if we can get it to go here. Let's see. Alright, here's the knob to turn it on and off. You turn it all the way around over here to get it to ignite. Let's see. And there we go. Ignition. You control the heat, the flame, up and down with this knob. And there you go. So it's a nice little camping kit, prepper kit, etc. I like it. The Gas One dual fuel propane